In today's video, we're restoring a Brazilian rosewood mid-century dining room table. Hi guys, in today's video, we're restoring a Brazilian rosewood mid-century dining room table.
So this is our tabletop that we will be renewing today. As you can see in these videos, that it does have quite a bit of water damage to it, and the tabletop is not in the best of shape. First, we took a scraper and tried to remove some of the old residue without paint stripper. This proved to be very difficult, so we had to move on and apply some paint stripper. We brushed off the tabletop to get rid of any dust or residue pieces before applying the paint stripper. We applied some paint stripper all over the tabletop, gave it some time to do the job to remove all the old residue. We then took our scraper and started to scrape off all the old residue to start the renovation of the brand new table. We did, however, struggle to get all the residue off with the first application of paint stripper, so we did add it a second time round. We did the same thing again, waited for the paint stripper to dry and to do its job, took our scraper and got rid of the remaining residue. The next thing we did was we took some steel wool and some mineral spirits to clean off the tabletop from any remaining paint stripper and residue. We sanded down the tabletop starting at a 180 grit sanding paper all the way down to 120 grit. After sanding down our tabletop, we got rid of all the remaining dust before applying the finishing touch. We decided to finish off this table with some superior, beautiful Danish oil. Apply the Danish oil in neat and one-stroke layers all over your tabletop to give it a magnificent finish. And there you have it, a beautiful old mid-century table restore it to its original form. Thank you so much for watching the DIY, guys. Be kind to one another and do it yourself.